Hey beautiful friends, welcome back to Sisters MIEE. Today we are going to be dyeing some eggs for Easter. The things you will need are some hard-boiled egg, a spoon, some food coloring, and we have prepared cups of water with 1 cup of water inside and a tablespoon of vinegar. Let's add our colors. Ooh. Here you go. Okay, so what colors do you want? I want pink. Blue. My favorite color. Open it. So we're going to start with 1 cup at a time. Oh. Okay, I'm going to do 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. That's a lot. Looks like strawberry jam. Next is green. Teal. Green. Or green. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Do you want to do the last cup? Yep. Okay. You're going to be doing the purple. This cup. 1, 2. Those are big drops. That's enough. 3. Yeah, because these are weird. Let's mix them up with our spoon. Today we are going to be putting 2 eggs in 1 cup. Whoa. Now we have all the eggs in the cups. We are going to wait 15 minutes for the eggs to change color.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's see how they look. Wow, here are the eggs. I like the green one. I like the purple one. Cool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And give it a huge thumbs up. And remember, be kind to others. And make a new friend. Bye-bye. See you next time. Bye-bye.